G'day, Steve here, Woodworking Masterclass. Welcome to the workshop. I just had this beautiful piece of bloodwood given to me, and I actually have to do a test video for someone to see if it's going to disintegrate, explode, or fall to bits as I'm turning it. So I've marked out a circle there, which is 200mm or 8-inch. Let's go over to the bandsaw. We'll cut that out, then we'll go up to the wood turning shed and we'll turn a bowl. The bowl that I'm going to turn, I won't have any sound on, I'll just have music behind it. Reason being, I'm getting new solar panels fitted to my roof, and there's rattle guns and drills going off, which would interfere with the recording. So here goes, over to the bandsaw. I'm using a tungsten tipped resaw blade, which is a little bit wider than I would like, but I don't have that tight a radius here, so we should be okay. You can see with that 1-inch blade, I can't get the radius I want, so I might just have a couple of chops at it. Not as round as I'd really like it, but that was because I had the wrong blade on. But anyway, let's go up the wood turning shed and we'll put it on the lathe and spin a bowl. Fix the face plate. I'm using the Record Power Coronet Herald lathe, and this faceplate ring fits nicely onto their C4 chuck or C3 chuck, but I'm using the C4 in this case. So we'll mount that on the lathe, then we'll turn either a spigot or a recess, haven't worked out which yet, on this side, and then shape the outside of the bowl and then take out the inside of the bowl. First of all, we'll get this a little bit rounder because it's out of round and there's a fairly heavy piece of timber there and it's making the lathe wobble a bit, which isn't a drama. I've got that mounted on rubber feet which come with the lathe, but it's just going to be a little nicer to work with. So first things first, we'll make the outside round. And I think for double safety purpose, I'll just put the live centre in there to hold it super steady. I am wearing my Darth Vader helmet, which is a pump drive one, and safety screen all the way around, so I'm not breathing in dust and my eyes are protected. All right, let's hear the music and let's make a bowl. I think I'm going to put a spigot in there, but instead of taking all the way out of here, I'm going to do a recess with a spigot in the middle. Because this is really crumbly, I've had to go in a bit deeper than I would normally, and I've got a dovetail on there. So I'll slide the live centre up, we'll spin it, and I'll start taking this outside edge and start shaping the bowl. Then we'll flip it over and put it in the chuck and start gouging it out. Let's go. Well, there you go. Bloodwood Bowl, turned green. Not too many drums. I think next time I do it, what I'd do is put a ply back or a solid timber back, put a face plate on that, because if you look there where that spigot was, yeah, it's a bit ordinary, and I don't know, I might try it again later, but with an expansion joint it could be more secure. But anyway, we got there. That was the purpose of the exercise. That is pretty wet, so in a few months' time it won't be round, it'll change shape, but that's part of the organic joy, I guess, of working with green timber. But I hope you enjoyed that. Not a problem to turn. Quite nice. Didn't explode, didn't disintegrate, didn't do anything horrible, except for that spigot on the back, which I think I'd use a faceplate on. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed that. So if you come across a bit of burl, bloodwood, whatever, or silky oak, or yellow box, anything like that, give it a try. Let me know how you go. But always wear a face shield, breathing apparatus, and if it gets wonky or you feel that tingle down the base of your spine, remember, stop doing what you're doing because it's dangerous. So this is Steve pulling the shed door down, saying remember to keep it sharp, but more importantly, keep it safe, look after yourself, be kind to each other, and I look forward to having your company in one of the workshops at a workbench very, very soon. Bye for now.